Hello, everybody. Welcome to English 102. I think you'll find that this is the best class that you're going to take on campus, especially in the English department. It's by far the most fun, and I have the most fun teaching it. So I'm happy to do it with you all. Just a few things as we begin. Welcome. And in the first week, we do have an assignment due. It's a diagnostic essay, and it is due on Thursday at 8 p.m. Just note that it's very important to complete this task because I'm using it to judge whether or not I need to add or drop at the end of the week. So those who don't submit the assignment will have their place taken because there's a lot of demand for the class. So that's a heads up. You can get started working just by opening up the syllabus, reading it please, and then working in the modules as well during week 1. As the class moves along, you will note that on Fridays I will post, most Fridays I'm going to post what's called Breaking the Code video, and it's just my own interpretations of some of the readings that we'll be doing together, and they're really meant to help you understand things. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me at westropet@mjc.edu. I go by Theron. You're perfectly fine calling me Theron. One other little note, I am a New Orleans resident, although I'm from Modesto, and that means that I'm 2 hours ahead of you time-wise. Not a big deal. But I will have office hours on 8 to 1 on Thursdays, and that is California time, just so that you know. If something happens or I'm delayed with responses via email or something, it's probably just because of the time difference, but I'm on email quite a bit during the day and get back to you very quickly. All right, so once again, welcome. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please look at the syllabus, read through it. With regard to ordering texts, there are 3 that are not available online. They are the Shakespeare text, the Camus text, and the Coleman text. They are all mentioned on your syllabus, so just go in there and get the titles and pick them up at the bookstore where you have a credit, or order them online if you find it cheaply and just more convenient for you, whatever serves you. You won't need a book for the first 3 or 4 weeks, so you have time to order those and get those in your possession. It's very important to do so. Finally, one last thing, this class is 99.9% asynchronous. We don't do live sessions. Rarely do we do live sessions, should I say, but we'll have one. And that's going to be on Tuesday, January 25th. Because I've combined 3 sections of 102 here, I'll email you with a specific time, but it'll be in the evening, California time. I'll probably do one group 6 to 7, one 7 to 8, and one 8 to 9. And that's just simply, though, you can get to know me, start to ask questions about your first big reading, which will be Carlos Fuentes' piece Constancia, and that is online for you to see when the module is open. All right, so hello for now. I look forward to working with you all, and good luck during week 1 with all your classes.